Stone a fling, stone a fling. Me British supporter them wanna take cover, stone a fling. Stone a fling, British supporters wanna take cover, me don't want nothing to do no. Uno run on a cover, make them sound a coward, make them sound afraid, but uno take cover. Coward man keeps sound bone. Stone a through a United States of America also, but a regular thing stone through a foreign, a United States. But when it a throw over England, me I tell you, it terrible, it terrible, it terrible. Stone a through a England people. Lord God, T-girl, what is wrong with your T-dog? T-dog, you just get up every day and just a bark, so man. Bow, wow. Bob Marley tell you say foolish dog bark off a flying bird. You know see all of we are bark off of there are flying birds. You're a foolish dog. These birds keep flying high. And you keep barking. Jesus, peace man, no sir. Every season is the same thing. Every season you come out upon 4, 5, 6 business people. All who not trouble you. No man, it don't look good. And when you go top man? And when you plan for top man? And when you go reach your goal on top man? You have any goal set man? Me no know. Me I ask you. Speak my people who know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up if you don't like the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And also there's an extended channel Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok if you have a TikTok account. One heap of something over there. We're not over here so. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Remember Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription. Help her to reach that 1,000. She just need 100 and must say 5 or 7 more. And I know you can't do it if you're not willing and tell yourself, alright, you're going to do it. You can't do it. I want to go in next year, I not talk about no Life with no Gabby and Chevy man. And take a 2 months break and in the Easter. If somebody reach out to me, if you give them a shout out, I can shout them out. And if you don't want to scout them out and see if them deserve the subscription, so be the case. Alright? But I'm tired of the Life with Gabby and Chevy now, man. 1 year and hard, man. Come on, man. And remember, the cash app is there in the comment section pin. If you want to give me, I use the gift and give back to the needy. Not the greedy. The needy. Alright? $ Charms and Trends. And I'm asking you also, please to go and support that small business. Very kind persons, you know. It's also Gabby from Life with Gabby and Chevy, you know, a part of the business. Also, where you just go over there and support. It's a time of the season that you give a special gift. No common gift, man. When I walk in a store, buy common gift for everybody liable for have. If somebody even liable for have a tumbler, your tumbler must have a difference. Because it's custom. Whether you picture upon it, your name, your pitney, your daughter, your wife, your husband. Something different about your tumbler, your wine glass, your teacup, your water bottle, your accessories. You understand? Special gift. So only just reach out, man, and Charms and Trends. That shop. That's the website. And if you go on Instagram, you find the business page. Charmed _and_ trends. That's CHARMED _AND _trends TRENDS. And just drop in the DM, man. Very good customer care service over there. No long time to get a response. Alright? Bless upon yourself, man, and support, man. Support people who want to support others that is less fortunate. Want to see where them come on board and they present something. When I was delivering that fridge that I buy for the school, they also buy some chicken, a bag of chicken and half bag of rice, and also donated. You understand? So for a small business, you know, reach out, man. At the season for giving gifts, you know, man. So make sure you make Charms and Trend be a part of gift searching. Alright? Yes, man. And the thing about it, them sell things, wine cups, you know, Christmas is for wine drinking and stuff like that. refreshment and stuff. Alright? Anyway, people. Why me hear tea girl a rat. So you never tell me say she and Glitz and Glam kick off again. Me never know say them kick off again. Me know them did have one beef going long time. But me think that the beef they did cook and drop off of the bone long time. And dog near me bone. Oh, probably true she a dog, she near me bone already. So she want more meat, so she come back for Glitz and Glam because Glitz and Glam look like she fat and full of meat, you know. Plus she pregnant, you know, So you know, say a whole heap of meat that the dog want eat. God. Anyway, she come out for Glitz and Glam, bruh. Glitz and Glam come out here and tell the woman about she have queen size bed. And the woman say, you talking about my queen size bed? Remember they come out and talk about my king size, you know. A queen you have, you know. Disposable, fashionable bed you have, you know. Your bed is disposable and fashionable compared to my long lasting, you know. All 50 years from now, chichi na nyam this. All 50 years from now, nothing upon this now rotten. Me now have to tear off the piece and sit now cover the front and look behind it. You understand? If me go so with a knife, me now have nothing a chip. You understand? Comparing to your own. So somebody come out here and talk about your queen size bed. You run out on platform and you might have difference otherwise. But before that, people, it come like a 2-stone the woman a throw one time over England because she can't pay FedEx money if you carry the stone them. She can't pay UPS to carry the stone them. So she make sure fling them. She fling couple stone over England there and come like a 2-man over there. She a fling off her. Cause it no look like a Duisha. Come like a the other 2-man them. She never call her name. But you don't know when you don't listen keenly, you don't know exactly where it is going. So you look and tell me in the comment section if me right. If a such man she a fling stone off her England. Alright, you know the 2 top blogger man them are England. So you listen and tell me. Me no know. You keep more abreast of the situation of late than me.
Realities out there, it's not just about social media.
Listen, because she start from right here, so.
Does it occur to you like people
Alright, let me tell you all the things she talk right here, so. Man in the dark. Listen for no man in the dark, she talk.
Likes, shares, stars, top up, this, that. You know, when does it occur to you that people have real life issues here? When does it occur to you that you need to start using your platform for positive things instead of dragging people's kids, right? It's funny how people want to be excused for their sexual orientation. They want you to be sensitive towards that. They want you to be considerate of that. Yet they get on here and they drag people, right? They get on here and they speak negatively about people's children. But they want you to be sensitive to their sexual orientation. Make it make sense, right? As far as I see it, if you decide what you decided on in life, what you decided to be in life as a gender, what you associate, what you see yourself as a gender, your choice. That was your choice, right? That's your choice. Right? What anybody else does in their life, that's their choice. Be it wrong or right, it's their choice. Right? The fact that you chose that for yourself and you don't have kids, that's your choice. But it doesn't give you the right to be dragging anybody's child on social media. You are one of them. Because you chose that for yourself, you're one of them who should not be speaking on anyone's child. Period. There are no excuses, no buts, no ifs. You are in no way, shape, or form right to be talking about anyone's child. None.
So you have the right to do. Because you have kids and you're a female. You have the right to talk about other people's kids. Me not knowing me just ask. Because you're saying this man don't get any kids. And for him not supposed to talk about nobody kids. So man, if that give you the right because you get kids and you're a female, if it gives you the right to talk about other people's kids. But when people talk about your kids, you make it look like so, oh, people come out here trolling your kids, trolling your kids, trolling your kids. You know, like when fishermen are troll, when them throw out the fake bait on the line and throw it out and them have the boat a drive round. The kingfish or what type of fish bite at the time to pick up the false bait, the fake bait, you call it trolling. So the same thing she talk about all the while, trolling. But it come like she have the right to troll people picnic because she have picnic. So through them your man and have picnic, then not no right to troll people picnic.
And what's even sickening is that women who gave birth are cheering you on for speaking in other people's children.
That justify them never give birth yet.
And when I, the victim, come out and speak about it, you want to look at me and say it's because I want to sell cakes. I want to sell cakes. So you're dismissing and you're undermining my pain. And I expect you to do that. Because you're not mindful of your actions. So I expect you to undermine me. You don't like women. So I expect you to undermine my emotions and dismiss my emotions for what it is. Because you don't like women.
How you know that, Tina? Me not think him ever look you, Tina. Because you look like both gender, me no know. Remember me tell you say you bill as both gender, you know. The woman line did short and God take you out of the man line and forgot to change your full features. So you still have the little look there, man, because you don't look feminine none at all. And that's why you're not confident in yourself. And that's you come that one day all choke me. That's why you come on social media so often talking about you're pretty, you're this and you're that. Which there is no prettiness there. None whatsoever. You don't have nothing in prettiness. Oh?
Number one, you don't have kids. Number two, you've never given birth. So of course you cannot, you don't know how I feel about it. And this is why a lot of you men on social media, you Jamaican men with platforms, you consistently keep dragging people's children.
Oh, the woman alone allowed to drag people's children that have platform. Man not allowed to.
And I'm just curious. A lot of you men have sisters. You men who are doing this, dragging people's children, trolling people's children.
You know, so we do a video like this over TikTok. Yeah, man. Same thing when she come talk about. When me I say, I speak about it over here also. But I do a specific video speaking about this. Because I come across a scenario on TikTok where you have these two women, they with these two men. One there with one there with the other. And it happens that one break off with one, for what reason I don't know, and the other break off with the other. One of the man take up the other one. And they were on like a same live, you know, playing match. And when I hear the behavior of the two men with somebody else there, I throw the fuel in the fire. Because they seems to make it look as if, oh, this is entertainment. That's how they take it. But at the same time, these females who's in the middle of this, who put themselves in the middle of this because of social media fame, and you know, you just want to be, you know, they're like some seasoned girls. Like when you go to school, same as how I adjust the video over there. If you don't go over there, go see it, a whole person sitting over there, me a chat, you know. Me a chat one bag of sitting over there, you don't need to go over there. Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. Them come like a young school girl them. When Manning Cup time, which is football time, the man with the inform and the biggest ball upon the team, him can have every woman, because every woman run down him. And once you play football, you have to have a woman, because woman run you down. We call them girls the season girls. Because when the football season done, that's it. It's only when football season you see them. So these women on social media, big enough woman also, they are like some seasoned social media girl. Cause all the man them a deal with them. I was like, damn. If these people, these women left themselves this careless, the man cannot deal with them so upon social media, upon live. Nothing not edit out. And then when a man like me come out here and speak of these women behavior and how them women carry themselves, that's the first thing when I run out here and say just like what you say, yes or no. I wonder if these men have sisters. I wonder if these men have women. I wonder if these men have mothers. So I want to make it look as if it's a gender issue. It's not just reality and facts of what people see out there. They feel to voice their opinion about. But once it have nothing to do with a female and is a man speak of it, the man a mama man. If him have sister, him have mother, him have woman, no woman not supposed to want him. For what? Speak how you know low on yourself, no self-esteem, no confidence in yourself. Most of you we over TikTok, deep in a TikTok, supposed to know the two couple where me can't call name from my background. Them have two couple where they do over there, one named Pops YG and T Marie, and you have another one named Ashley and Jaden. And me can't see the behavior how them people are behave if it's just the views. These women just make themselves look like some old tear down building, lapidated building where KCC, the parish council, order for tear down, bulldozer down. I saw them people, them two women allow themselves to be dragged. If we don't go over Life is a Mission on TikTok and find the video where I say, season girl, social media, season girl them. And listen, back to regular programming over here, so.
Right? You have sisters.
Once you come talk, this is all them
mothers who are
talk.
still alive.
You
You have aunts.
Because you
have uncles.
as a
But
man.
mainly the females in your family. You're telling me that none of these females in your family reached out to you and say, hey, that's wrong, what you're doing.
This is your style, all the
Leave
females
people's
in the
children
family.
alone. You're telling me that your sisters, your aunts, your moms don't tell you that it's wrong? You know what that shows? It shows that your entire household, your entire generation of women and men are just a set of dog shits with no values and morals. I don't care how you...
Okay. And when people come out here and disrespect she and her pitney and her whole family and include all her grand pitney them. Because if I all me this, you know, because I leg she attack you, so let me tell you, I leg she attack you, so. Me not hear she call her name, but every pointers point to Legge. You understand? And if I me, she said this about my family, when me done with all our grandpitney them, I'm gonna cry shame on me out here. Let me say, because if him as a big man come out here and depend on social media and do what him a do, him mother no must know what him a do, him sister no must know what him a do, him niece no must know what him a do. So why you going to include the man female relative and call them a dog eh? Why you going to include the man relative? They don't know, must know what he's doing, and if they even know what he's doing and they say come on stop, it don't look good, he might want big man. If he feels to continue to do what he does, what them can do, the money can talk to him. So that give you the right to come style the man female father family about him mother, him sister, whatever female name family as dogs. When you more look like it in your mouth, not even a dark canal up a mobile reserve up at the K9 division we want clean out after 1 week of rain. And the man normally come clean it out, can't get to clean it out, no look like how in your mouth tan. So use more like a dog more than how you class the man family. But this only goes to show how you stay. If the man will come out tomorrow morning now and start go at your grand pitney, start talk all kind of things, people I go sit behind now and say, Lord God, why pitney man? No sir, leave the pitney outside. But them now question why you and him is on social media having on a beef, having on a pork, having on a chicken, and everything you want to have. And you got including female families. into it and style them like that. All because you're saying if they don't speak to him about his behavior on social media. So we want to know, your daughter them not speak to you about your behavior on social media? Eh? It not seems so. So you would want in return him come back now and say your daughter them is a set of dogs. Yes, what go? You out here giving so much problem over the years on social media, and you have 2 daughters. None of them not see. And come on now. Come on now. Unlike this man when you are talk to him as a fiend family, no must know him behavior in a social media. And if them even know, if them talk to him and them feel like continue what them can do. Your daughters know your behavior in a social media. So them not talk to you. Make we know. Them not talk to you. So if them not talk to you about your behavior in a social media, and they are aware of your behavior, because we out here know they are aware of your behavior out here, that simply means them worse than dogs. Remember that.
Here to look outside of social media or on social media, your actions alone tell me that y'all are dogs. Your families are dogs. Because I can't believe how your sisters and your aunts and everybody who are on your social media profile will allow you or even tell you or keep not caution you about Pope.
Oh what? She get a sponsorship with Nestle. She get some supplement with boots are up. She bravey. For somebody who love cry out about people and molest and troll her kids. She brave bad. She under the influence of supplement. She getting boots up. She get contract from Nestle.
Posting people's children on your page. You have an issue with her mother? Deal with her mother. What are you doing posting people's children? Because number one, you cannot give birth. You're out of place. You're very much out of place for doing that. And whenever people come out defending themselves, you want to dismiss it as selling cakes. See? No respect for females. None. But a person, a place. And you didn't just do it once. You did it multiple times. You did it just recently. Because you want to rub it in. That's to show how nasty you are. As a male. I'm not going to call you a man. I'm going to call you a male. And that goes for both of you males who did it. You should be ashamed of yourselves. And the women who are cheering you on,
The monarchy. Both of you males, the monarchy over British.
Because if they can
So
do
a
that to
2-stone she
someone's
throw.
child,
2-stone.
someone they don't like, a total stranger they don't like, if they can do that to somebody's child.
So when you hear me say a 2-stone throw, because she couldn't pay for FedEx to carry stone them, you don't understand now. Because the next man over there, me know I know him. The Weaponizing, I know him. So when she said the 2 of you, you know what that mean. Because any other man who should attack, I know England him there Canada, I'm sure no one of me she attack.
Why do you think they won't do it to you and your children and your child? That speaks volumes about who they are as a person. I would be out of my mind to take somebody's daughter's picture, page, name, and repost it to my page and use it as a weapon.
So how you take down people products off of them business page, put it on your page, write up what you want to write up, Cross out where you want cross out. X up where you want X up. So, you come with a little lighter now. And depend on the dance. Keep it on depend. Burn a fire upon them. Burn a fire with your lighter. You expect the person who you burn with a lighter, they're going to come back. Come burn you with a matchstick. You don't feel like them will come with one torch. Because them want to burn you hotter. So you if you come out here now and deal with people like oh you feel like deal with them. And on the other hand, people will deal with you with respect and sympathy. No, so it go. That's why if you can't run muster, no run muster. Because when you come out here and tell people say me name the paper when me pick up out a road. Some people they might get boisterous for it. All like me gone because me now make you use this and conquer me. Because when you find out say me a cry over what you say about this a paper here, you now start pressure me. So when me do me hold it, I'll do it burn me hold it. You see when my time come round and me hold you think me gonna tell people say a paper your name? Hey, you know why you hear me tell them what your name? Worse if you go on like say you're top man or you're gangster, yeah, you know? You know why me tell them what your name? And when me done fabricate that the story there. Everybody believe me. So you can't come out here come do people things and expect say people are gonna come and do you lesser than what you do them. Or others are gonna come do you lesser than what them see you do people. Anything you get you have to take. You play the same game. It's just that you're scoring a different goal. Unless it's a own goal you're gonna score by yourself. But it's the same football game we are playing. Where you're scoring another man the goal and a man scoring a your goal. The only way you're scoring a your goal, you know, and this is a own goal, you know. So at the same game you play, but every man is scoring a different goal. Oh, remember that? Oh.
To fight a social media war. I would be out of my damn mind to do something like that. Because number one, I am hurting the child. And the child is totally independent of this. Right? The child didn't do me nothing. I would be out of my mind to do something like that. Out of my mind. And it's Jamaican men who do this.
Only hear the sympathy voice. The respectable voice, this, you know. And the voices she use and seek validation.
And this is why it's enough of them can't just breed woman and just gone about
this is the voice she used to seek validation.
And cuss off woman and tell woman about them lady parts. This is the reason why so many of them are effeminate. Yeah. Effeminate. Yeah.
Hey, you tie up your tongue with words.
You know
Come
why?
on,
When
do
they
better
were
than that.
younger, their
Do better
moms
than that. You tie up your tongue with the big words and the words only.
exposed them
Leave
too
that to
much.
me.
When their moms went to work, they were busy playing up in mama's lipsticks, putting on mama's wigs. That too
One heap
contributed
of man
to
today.
their current behavior.
A lot of men today have done that. And them not have no girlish mentality about them. No woman mentality about them. One heap of man in the days of baby and picnic stage have done that. So, you're not getting a pint across your son. Your pint wash you in the flood waters. Because almost 70% of boy picnic entangled somewhere or the other when them a baby or smaller kids where woman thing is concerned. Whether putting on a woman dress, whether putting on the lipstick or something. So you're not proving no point yourself. Oh.
Online as adults. So they're totally disconnected from a female's hurt or a female's pain. They're disconnected from it. Very much so. And this is why a lot of them don't have women. They don't have successful relationships. They don't have kids. None of that. Look at them. some more positive thoughts. They don't like vagina.
Stone at you. My
Right?
name not call, but stone at
Which
you.
is why they do what they do.
We
They
don't
troll
need
other
that out
people's
here.
kids because they don't like women and they don't like vagina.
But you don't have no vagina
And
for
do you
nobody
want me
like
to
Tina.
respect your sexual orientation and not
Tina,
class
remember,
you
it's just a
up?
spot you have. You don't have no
Talk about
vagina.
my daughter and post my daughter and try to put a different narrative to something that's not true. You're trying to put a different narrative to what you see. And you don't expect to be classed about that? Really? Even if I was a bad mother, or my motherly instinct wouldn't be happy about seeing my daughter being dragged unfairly on the internet. It wouldn't. I am not that damaged. I'm not that disconnected. I'm not that without love. I'm too much of a loving person to sit and idly watch as you men who don't like women or like
Real
vagina
pretender.
drag my beautiful
Take up this
daughters
with your daughter, them.
who don't know you from a can of paint.
Take up this with your daughter, them. You post all kind of
And you
things
women
about
should be
you.
ashamed of yourselves. You women condoning
And
it
what going
underneath
in
the
our
cheering.
life. Take it up with your daughter.
Sharing
them.
it.
Don't take it up with nobody out here.
Says a lot about you.
And nobody out here make the
Because
post
there's
them
no
for your
way
daughter page. And
I
she
could
make them.
dislike someone so much, a stranger that I saw on the internet. Never met them. They didn't unalive anybody for me. They didn't steal any money from me. They didn't do anything evil to me. And I just see their kids and just start trolling their kids. There's no way I could do that. It says y'all have no conscience. No conscience enough.
You know, somebody ever want to get right there, so we do should just say a while ago. I'm going to just allow her if we go and talk some more. We should just say a while ago.
Of trolling my daughter. Two men who know each friends to each other. I don't know how close you are. I don't know if you're in bed together literally. I don't know, and frankly that's none of my business. But it shows the close association between you two. And y'all are playing tag team at trolling my kids because you don't like me. Trolling my kids because I have more balls than you will ever have. I have more dick than you will ever have.
You have more
And
space,
you have
like
a problem
a
with a
woman.
woman like me who's not going to stand
What's
down
supposed to
none
do
of
in a
y'all.
day? So
You
you're
have a
not
problem
nothing with
with
balls there. Where?
Because you're used to submissive women. You're used to bullying women.
A sexy girl like you is calling to you and you don't have a man in your life.
And nowhere in your minds
I'm sure you know you want a man in your life.
do you check
To help
yourself
you with
and
your
say,
finance.
nah, I'm not going to go there. I want. And that's because y'all have no boundaries. It's stupid. It's so baseless and stupid. All for clicks, likes, and views. So when I came out yesterday and I was speaking about CMR and I was talking about, these platform holders who are supporting him. You remember when my daughter, I had the situation with my daughter, guys. Y'all remember when my daughter, my oldest child, came out and we had a big disagreement over
Take up that with she,
a
not with us
personal
out here.
right?
Only listen.
And my daughter did
You can't fix your
something that
daughter,
was
put
just
it out
really
here.
bad, right? And they screenshot it. Remember, this is my father.
We don't
And
know
there's a
why
lot
no
to the
reason
conversation
excuse.
that I haven't shared on social media, which I pretty much don't think I have to, because that's my dad. They don't know anything. They just saw my daughter post it, and they took it and they ran
Yeah,
with
because
it.
she
And
know.
they
We don't
repeated
know
it on
nothing,
their
but she
platform.
know.
Okay, fine.
So the people them running it
It
because
was
she
news to
know.
them.
You don't know. We don't know.
But I'm just showing you
Yeah, they know
how
what she know and what
hypocritical
she
these
posts.
individuals are and how selective they are about certain things. So they screenshot what my daughter posted, and even the other day, they reposted what my daughter posted.
every year when a cake sale, you post up all kind of nonsense. Some of them are repost too. Because some of them like you know no time for rebuild or make nothing or edit anything different. So you repost the same thing every year with such woman business and our product. So why you have a problem with somebody that post something where you claim to say gone 2 years ago or 3 years ago? Just go and suck the same sour lime where you give to people, man. Just go and rub the same pepper on your nose and your eye. Like where you want rubbing at people, yeah, on them nose. What I say? Go and suck the same sour lime where you want people to suck. And go and rub your same pepper on in your eye and under your nose, like where you take a rub on other people one. Are you alone have feelings out here?
2 years after it happened.
I could have 10-year repost, yes.
Constantly reposting.
Remind you. You call it reminder.
Right? You see how quick them take that and repost it in the current now? Even though it happened 2 years ago. And
Get
it's
back to the CMR now, because you'll compare CMR and this posting.
They take it and repost it and put another narrative to it.
Listen,
right, the situation with my dad and my daughter.
every day you run with the CMR.
These two males reposted it, weaponized it, right? Yeah. And it became social media news to so many people when it did happen. So many women, men, they repeated it on their platforms, you know, and they demonized me, yeah, and vilified me.
Make we talk now. Would you have done the same thing? Speak truth now. Would you have done the same thing if it was the other way around? Would you have taken up things to post on your platform if it happened to such man in England? Or if it happened to such woman down at that place there, down at the view? Wouldn't you be looking over and having a view in posting if it was somebody from the view or such man in England? You'd have done the same thing. So why are you upset and objecting to people posting and reposting when you would have done the same thing? Eh? Go back to what I said earlier. Uno alone are human. So uno alone have feelings.
Right? Now here we are. We have a situation with CMR. And it's very sickening.
That's all they depend on CMR.
Me no know, yeah, man. The man innocent. So why wasn't I presumed innocent? Too, no?
Why?
Wasn't I presumed innocent?
Why should you? Why should you be presumed innocent when you are a known criminal?
That was pretty much a misunderstanding, but because I know who I am. But why wasn't I allowed due process and presumption of innocence to be a BBL?
When you get caught red-handed? Eh?
They one who said that she would defend her husband is the same one.
She gone pan
She said she would
Lesha
defend
now.
her
With
husband if
Glam.
he was accused of
Stone down a USA now.
She won with herself.
With Glam Lesha. Fair time. Remember the intro of the video,
She
no
won
man?
with herself because she
Stone
wants to
at England,
demonize
2
me
different
so
stone.
that people don't buy
Then she come back
cakes
to
from me.
US.
And she wants to paint me as a thief. She put a lot of energy. I think she posted about 2 or 3 videos about me. She even went as far as posting my apartment and had her female followers look at my apartment and say my apartment favor trailer and trailer park. And the CM Dunce one who says she's going to defend her husband if her husband was accused
The
of
Dunce
being
one
a
that
sexual
progress in the
predator.
United
She's
States
gonna
after
stand
come
by
there
her
years
man.
after you.
That same one.
The same
That
Dunce
same one
one.
said she's going to stand.
The same Dunce one she attack people, Gliz and Glam. We end up in America long after T-Dog. Dunce and nah no sense. Ed nah have no... Ed... What Predator say? Nah no Ed. But Ed still the nah no Ed Dunce man. Better off than she. Where progress is concerned. The only thing she have equal with the woman is life. What I say? The only thing T-Dog have equal with Gliz and Glam is life. Nothing more. And she there foreign long before this young miss. You understand? And this young miss is couple years younger than her. So what is your achievement? And this is why you come out here using it's like you're trying to, you know, beat down on what CMR do. And at the same time, it's like within yourself in general, it's like you're within a feelings that overall I should say, you're glad for what happened. Because this is it. These two young couples, just in them 20s, if so be the case, late 20s, or no, late 30s, yeah, late 30s. Social media sensation. Have probably a few endorsement deals. Have clothes line, ear line, cosmetic line, whatever them have out there. Very popular on social media, Facebook, etc., etc. Have a family. Bought a house that you come and talk about the house. Oh, like you're saying, anybody can buy a house in Florida. Sometimes you can just buy the house right here if you want to wait and sit and watch the house bill and wait. That was all that was in your head at the time. These people achievement and success. And for you who did it all along and not have this, it's like you're glad for what happened. For see, not CMR, but Chrissy herself fall. And one of the main reasons is because such woman endorse Chrissy and Chrissy endorse such woman. So you're glad to see the woman fall. You even go as far as in our live when me dissect, started to count how she gonna manage. Because her views drop, this drop, and you start go back from way back when, say how much from the little scandal about him giving her a bun with this woman. If you notice them views and Instagram and Facebook drop dramatically, they barely can have the average views for an average YouTuber or Facebookers, 4,000 views. Those 20 and 30 and 40,000 views gone. And you started to wonder how she gonna pay for the house if he's convicted, because he might gonna lose all of those little benefits that he used to get. And way down the side of the people their business they go, you know. Are you Spice at talk about, you know? Or are you Spice at tell, you know? Say if you mind your business, mind your own business, mind me, but you not mind your business. That's how deep you go and start think about the people them. What is going to be the consequence if this man get convicted? You almost have to, like you feel like she going to lose the house because she don't have that income coming in again. And if he was also one of the main source, which everybody knows say, are the female are the main source in everything we're going. But you just want to put that message across. So sensible people listening to you like myself will see what you're trying to say. You understand? But you're not saying it in the direct way. You're saying it in an indirect way. Not the direct way for people feel like, oh, see there, I'm telling her she bad mind, I'm telling her she jealous, I'm telling her, see there, you hear how she talk, she want the girl to lose her house now. And you have sensible people who are listening to you too. But guess what me know? They want hear you, but them not listen to you. So them hear what you say for probably entertainment purposes. So it go into the ears and come back through the ears, yeah. It no process in them brain. You say, but wait. No man, me take a stop and listen to what she just said a while ago. What she just said a while ago? No sir, she can't cruel sir. No sir. Based on what she say, it's like she don't want to see the woman lose the house. Them not stop and process what you say most time. If most people don't come over here, most things was said otherwise from other places. If you ask them the honest truth, them hear when me a dissect already, you know, but probably them never process what happened. So when them come over here, so it all process and break down so people get a full understanding. So when you hear it, you go back and you say, but we hearted, I choose people mind attack, you know. You know, so me never look on it so. But at that the girl want for true. She want the man get convicted and then now Chrissy brand just drop right down. I want to know one of the main reasons. The association.
And by her man. Remember, no, she have a picture of me body shaming me. She reposted my video body shaming me. Let me show you. The head and posted my queen size bed because I was so I'm comfortable with myself.
The same person who sent me the picture
on
when
a man's identity to survive. Do you think I should be arguing with somebody like this? Absolutely not. She's weak.
Who remember the breakfast every tea girl wake up to put on her phone? Why wake up with that one big old.
And this is why she stoops to doing these nasty things online.
She have to send it, go give Marcy a candle.
Because she's a coward.
Marcy, I want me to look up in night for breakfast.
Who identifies with strength. Yeah?
Why?
Yeah. Her and others do the same thing. And it's not because I want to sell cakes. No. This is something that we need to call attention to and speak about.
I identify the woman who you are.
I grew up here. I grew up here among a lot of different people.
Now tell nobody that.
This idiot, after she posted my body, right, she went a step further. And this idiot posted my bed. No, I remember the day I was here just showing you guys, you know, I'm doing some work, I'm painting.
And I show you the dirty
picture frame.
I'll do the picture frame if it dash out.
You know what I mean?
If it's not a doorway, it's like doorway and picture frame.
Comfortable to show you on live what it is that I'm doing. Girl, this woman, the woman who said she is going to back her man.
But you're the only show we just reach by your paint out and probably in a your room. Where was CJ room? CJ room paint out? Does CJ has a room? Or CJ in the same bed with your throw foot over you? A swing on and a snoring in your ears and a licking in your face. Where was CJ room? You don't even carry us to the bathroom. And, you know, that is one of the main places most females always like to brag about. 3 main places females, especially when them are clean and like to brag about them bathroom, them bedroom, and them kitchen. You rush to the bedroom after you just paint it after how much years living there, painting for probably the first time. So you were so excited. And as you say, you do it yourself. You show the living, toilet, bathroom, bakery area, all in one. But where was CJ room? Is it that CJ sleep in the same room as you? Is only one bed we see. So is it that CJ fling foot over you? Talk about that. Me just ask.
And if she finds out that her man is a predator, this woman then takes my video and reposts it to her page. Let me also add that this is the same person who sent a video of her body wall to my business phone. Okay? This is the same woman who sent her body wall on social media. This is one of them. Right?
Have your breakfast at the morning in the same place.
Some of you who have been following me for an extended amount of time do remember that incident when she took up
and she couldn't eat it off. She had to send some to give Marcia Campbell.
I send it to my phone.
Oh, remember, she sent some to give Marcia.
I woke up the next morning, opened my business
Marcia,
phone at about like 6:30 to
too.
check my business messages, and the first thing I saw in it was something that I couldn't make out because, you know, you're just waking up and you're trying to, like, you know, and I'm scrolling and I'm like, what's this? I'm trying to look, and I see the strange number coming in on my phone. When I looked at the strange number, it was a picture of I said, wait, am I seeing what I'm seeing here?
Yes, it's
this
correct.
individual
go to a restaurant to go and have your breakfast, because you don't like cook your yard.
Right now? Do you see what you look like now?
What she look like? She's pregnant? You're a pretty woman. When them pregnant, they look ugly like how you don't want to see them. And after having baby, them come right back. So what do you mean she look like now? Come on. I mean, she look now way. The last picture I look at, video me see her from, yes, she look now way.
So you are the last person
She
to come
pregnant
out
and she
on
look
here
better than
and
you.
talk about anybody. The last. Do you realize that there are people living in Manhattan high-rise apartments and they're paying thousands of dollars a month?
When she talk, yeah, so I want somebody in my mind flash pan, you know. And a curly, you know. Everything what she say, I saw no listen. Identical curly. Me nah say what she a show. She just a try show an example. So you have people in a big apartment that pay a big rent, but then have nothing in there. Just because the woman talk about her queen size bed. So she a use this to justify. Remember, you know, 2 weeks ago in the same girl this talk about my nice artwork bedded, you know. With 20 years from now, antique it can becomes, you know. And still a old value, you know. Because of quality board, you know. None of the mass production material, you know. We have to dash out a house every month or every year or every 2 years, as what she say, you know. Somebody a tell her about her queen size bed and she gone to Manhattan. Which per apartment, there were man on her bed mattress on floor. But what she say, I saw identical curly right now. They living this curly depend. The mattress depend on the floor. Not even a bed head or a bed foot, nor a bed hand or a bed toe. You know, listen and tell me if I know identical curly this in our kitchen only. Hey, I wonder if a curly she react to old because hey, she not said nothing when it belongs to curly right here. So only listen keenly.
To lease these apartments, a bed on the floor, like a mattress on the floor.
Curly.
You walk through the entire apartment, they have a kitchen here, but they have a few cups in the
Curly.
kitchen. They have a mattress on the floor, their mattress and their box spring on the floor.
Curly. Me not say she has to
because
open
I've been
curly, but this is
inside of some of
identical. Everything when she has says curly
luxury
match up in this.
apartments in Manhattan back in the early 2014, 2015.
From curly said the city is too small or sitting and she said it back. I know we don't see it pull up back. I know no van to pull up back with it and deliver it.
I'm talking
Mattress
about
step on the
apartments
floor.
with
You know, one
doormats.
big luxurious
Doormats,
apartment.
Doormen.
Just the kitchen
Right.
alone have 2 mugs. Not
Apartments
curly
with
that man.
doormen.
Curly. She not worthy a curly. She don't worthy, it's curly.
Right? And when I walked into these apartments, these people had a mattress on the floor with a box spring. Don't even have a bed in.
Curly. Whoa.
And they were paying roughly maybe $4,000 a month.
Well, that are not curly people. That are not curly.
Failures. They failed themselves. And it's so sad that they fail themselves and they have to pick on me to sell cakes. That's sad. They have to pick on
She
me
gone back on the
to
two, man.
sell their cakes. Which shows that their products are no good. Their products are shitty. So they have to pick on me to sell cakes.
See, they tell you,
So
say,
disappointing.
at the next
And
man
I've
in
only been in the
England
business for
with
5
the man
years.
in the bar. Hear the fake laugh. I open up the garbage pan. Mount a rubbish in your mouth.
DJCakes.com. I'm out, guys.
Me tell you, say the next man in England, man. Here, the mafia. But at the other way around, we all know it. But we just have to lower because of fear platform she depend. I say what she say. Who depend it, we follow her and want believe her. Believe her. You have some over there we know the truth, but them a play hypocrite then, sir. I'm afraid to tell her the truth. So what we are going to do? We just know the truth, so we just keep the truth and know what she say a foolishness. Because we know the other way around. Every year she have to come, Chris, Donna. And when she not feel satisfied with these two persons, she choose somebody else. Alright, she end up get Chef Noel. Make it 3. Well, she and Gliz and Glam will have something going. I don't know if a Gliz and Glam got trouble her back again. But see, it is another business person this. But I remember say she was the first one trying to bring down the woman product. So this is 4. And at times she fling pebbles at other places. So every year this time, she pick on people who is business people. Or when them now do the same business as she. But we all know why. Somewhere along the line, those people might come across such woman. And for you support such woman, whether you are business people, non-business person or whatsoever, when the pebbles are fling, you will get 1. Just thank God on the stone she fling pound. Like how she fling 2 over England because she couldn't pay the FedEx fee. So she fling it herself. Lord, my dear child, I wonder if such man hear this. Me not talk Baker one the next one where she involve him family. Say them a dog. Shh. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself. Happy soup day. Last week the fish people them say, who no eat meat, me never hear my soup. Well, fish tea, manish water, cow skin, chicken foot, beef soup, salt beef and pig's tail red pea soup. What again? Aki soup, that are my soup. My ingredients, Aki soup. Alright? All I want to claim something I got try it all. No, you know, come back, come tell me, say, Lord, it tastes good for 2 weeks. No, say, boy, yes, want to give me my props. Say, me invent one soup named Aki soup. You never know, say, Aki could have make soup. You understand what me I say? So I'm afraid to come tell me, say, you know, say, me the try it, Life is a Mission TV, and me the try it, speak my mind. It never tastes bad, you know. Me never know, say, Aki, no one give me my props. You know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, and please to run over Life is a Mission TV and TikTok. Me busy over there. Not begging Lion and Zion and Pion and Whale and Squale and Universe. No. But me busy over there try build a page there, because you see TikTok is a far reach to me. And quicker reach then, I should say, than probably YouTube. If I did just start a YouTube channel, I could almost garner 300 followers already in less than a week. No. And if me did even garner half of that amount, me would have it out there. I beg people to subscribe to my channel and I take people's phone. And with just over a week, I almost 300 followers I have over there already in almost a week. And I have video over there I rack up over 20, soon rack up 20,000 views. My second video when I post over there I rack up soon 20,000 views. Me a video over there I rack up 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 5,000, and I'm just a member just week and a little bit ago. So I want my views over there to do some live, because as I said, only know me used to do the live on the ends. And sometimes through the music I play the bar them, because of boom, I'm in a bother. Because the copyright business. So now when we build this channel, it will allow me to do some live over Life is a Mission TV channel and TikTok. When we build the channel and it reaches a certain amount of followers. So only just come on board from now and make it happen early. Worse in a Christmas, I don't want to see me go live in a Christmas, you know. So only just come along, One Nation family with me so now. Big up on yourself. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section also. Give her a subscription and the cash app is there, $. Life is a Mission TV. No, not Life is a Mission TV. That cash app is still done. Sometime next week, I will know if I will continue with it or change it or continue to use this one, which is $, Charms and Trends. And remember, go support Charms and Trends. Check out the Instagram page, Charms_and_Trends. And Instagram, drop na the DM and order on a Christmas present from no man for gift to a husband and a wife and a kids. Customize. Yeah, man. Make when your son pull out him tumbler and him look him see him picture upon it and him name him feel so good than if he just go buy an ordinary one and give him. him know say him have something where him go cherish it. You know, him keep that on him arm and in him bag and all both. Him no want that last, cause him no want him picture last. But him have a ordinary one, he might throw it down, so throw it down, so I don't know which part it there. Bless upon yourself. Support Charms and Chens. They are very supportive. And if you drop na the DM, quick, you get a reply. Good customer service. Big up on yourself.